The amendment to increase the fines of the 2006 Road Traffic Act has been given the green light during an emergency sitting of both houses of Parliament earlier today, but not without the constant collision with parliamentarians on either sides of the political aisle. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
The police can continue to issue traffic violation tickets at the current rates following the passage of an amendment to add the existing file to the Road Traffic Act. The critical piece of legislation comes after the Supreme Court blocked the police from issuing traffic tickets in excess of fines beyond the 2006 rates following a lawsuit by a citizen. But as the debate began in the lower house, the opposition slammed the government for exposing itself to the lawsuit.
It just shows to me that government has been scurrying around in a rather confused way, trying to think about how to address this and calling us here on Friday to deal with this thing in a hurried manner.
I feel that we're more saying to the Jamaican people that we're more concerned about revenue than we are concerned about the other aspect of road safety. That we have been in limbo for over 3 years, basically. And I don't see why it is, because what we're saying to the people of Jamaica is that we have an inefficient government.
The delay would put a dent in the government's $227 million target to be collected for traffic fines for this year. But according to National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang, lives are at risk.
Road Traffic Act and the penalties attached is crucial to public order. And everyone in this room can appreciate. In fact, they spoke to it extensively. What is happening on the road today? And they need to ensure that the police can, in fact, carry out their duties effectively at all times. And even one day is a matter of urgency if we create that gap in there.
The amendments were eventually passed in the lower house, and soon after, it was time for the senators to debate the motion. But as it was put up, it was shot down by the opposition senators who argued that they were unprepared to debate the bill. However, the government's simple majority superseded the opposition's stance to suspend the debate.
Divide.
But with one roadblock out of the way, the opposition senators argue that the country has another hurdle, the 2018 Road Traffic Act.
If it is what is right and what is good, it would have been to take the 2018 regulations and to then move forward. So what we are doing is a stopgap unless we are now saying that the 2018 is no longer valid. Because it seems to me that we will be back here maybe in urgency to have the 2018 regulations done in a day.
Leader of Government Business Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith at the time said the regulations would have been brought to the House in another 3 months. But 3 months have turned into 3 years.
We note the minister having said earlier, I believe it was a few weeks ago, that the regulations should be passed by the end of this year.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.
And mixed reactions from motorists this evening following the passing of the legislation to make existing fines under the Road Traffic Act legal.
When them charge the people, it was not legal. It was illegal. So once a man get a legal penalty, then you have to pay the man for an illegal punishment. So what they are going to do now, it will be legal as of now. But the payback have to be for the people.
When I get back that, you know, them not pay way back. You know why when I get back that? Them are going to find something to say to win or get back that. So you feel so they never know them overcharge you for a long time. I don't know if you do that. Let me tell you something. You see, when me and you do something, we easier.
So police give you a ticket, go and they give you a ticket, come. They give you a ticket up, they give you a ticket down for no reason. Imagine $10,000 now. You have police that, for a day, police will give you all 7,000 worth of tickets. So the next 10?
If I'm offer money, pay back. Because poor people out the street are pay them ticket. And several times you pay a ticket this month, and next 2 months police harass you say you don't pay it. Then when you have license, say you have outstanding ticket, then you say you pay your ticket. If you can't find a ticket, they might charge you again. And that can't fail.